Hello friends, in this video I will be showing how to fix Facebook Music Story not showing problem. So hello friends, welcome back to our Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, before we get started, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and please hit the bell icon to receive all notification videos from Android Tips. So friends, I'll show you how to fix this problem step by step. You just need to watch this video till the end. So let's get started. So friends, I will take it you to Facebook. So friends, as you all know that we have got a Facebook has got a new feature, that is music option in our Facebook story. We can add the music in our Facebook story story picture. So you can see here, create a story. You just need to tap here and then you can select any picture. So I'll select this picture and then you just need to tap here, tap on the sticker, and then you can see I've got a music option here. I can add music by tapping here. You can see I can add any music in my Facebook story. So friends, there are some Facebook users that have not got this feature yet, so I'll show you how to get this feature in your Facebook account, in your Facebook story. So friends, you just need to go to Play Store, go to search bar and then search for Facebook. So friends, you just need to update your Facebook application. If it is asking for update, please update your Facebook application and then you will surely get that option, music option, in your Facebook story. So friends, even after updating your Facebook application, you are not getting the music option in your Facebook story. So I'll show you the step 2. You just need to uninstall your Facebook application. You just need to uninstall your Facebook application and reinstall your Facebook application from your Google Play Store. And after installing after installing Facebook application from Google Play Store, you just need to re-login in with your Facebook account and then check whether your Facebook story has got that music option or not. So friends, I assure you that you will surely find that music option after updating or after reinstalling your Facebook application. So friends, that's it. It's very easy and simple. I hope you understand this video. So till then, take care and thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe Android Tips YouTube channel.